Hey, what's up guys? B-Dub coming at you here with another video today. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. My name's Brittany, aka B-Dub, and this channel is geared towards vehicles. A lot of how-to videos on here and a lot of car modification videos on this channel. So go ahead and click on that subscription link there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen, as well as clicking on that bell notification so you can get notified anytime I make a new video. But welcome guys. So I'm sorry, first and foremost, it's taken me a while to post a new video. I'm just gonna be completely honest with everybody here. I have an eating disorder and I have been in treatment for my eating disorder in residential treatment. Just got home a few weeks ago and now I'm doing a very intensive outpatient program virtually. So I haven't really had much time to make content. However, while I was driving today, I'm on my way to Costco right now, my oil maintenance indicator had popped up in my vehicle, and I just want to explain to you guys like how to fix this and why it does this and how it kind of works. So for those of you folks who have a Nissan 370Z, I have a 2018 Nissan 370Z Grand Touring. This is my third Z car. Extremely familiar with this vehicle. Love them so much. They're very reliable, wonderful cars. So I'm going to talk to you guys really quick here about excuse me, I'm also battling a cold right now. I really want to talk to you guys real quick here about how this tach works and how this works over here for those of you folks who have the touring like myself, or the sport tech where you have the navigation involved. So earlier today, the oil maintenance indicator popped up on this screen saying oil maintenance with a little picture of an oil pan on it. I'm like, okay, whatever, you know. So over here, what you do is, this is for your interval reminder. You go to information, click on information, go down to maintenance, click on, you could do engine oil, oil filter, tire, whatever. We'll say engine oil for this. So I have this set to remind me at every 7,000 miles. And the thing is, you guys, this system here is not linked with the tach over here. They're two completely separate functioning systems here. So just because I had this set to 7,000 miles on this one, it was still reminding me that I needed to get new oil because this was set to 5,000 miles. So I'm gonna go in here and show you guys how to adjust this if needed. You know, usually with my Z's, I always change the oil at every 5,000 miles, but I'm gonna start doing like every 7,000. That should be okay. So what you do is you go to this setting menu. You click this little circular button to go through the list. And then when you click this for enter, the square. Sorry, the sun's in the way, guys. And then we're gonna go where it says oil. Then you click your square, okay? And then you're gonna go to setting. See, it's set to 500. Just as an example, so I could show you guys what to do. Click enter, then click the circle. Gosh, this thing, sorry guys, this focusing is so like weird here. Okay. Click on, oops, that's a little, there, so you can see that's the menu you need to be on. Then you click your circle right here for however many miles you want it to be. Like I said, I want mine to be every 7,000, so we'll stop right there. It goes in intervals of 250. So there we go. Now it's set to every 7,000 miles. It will remind me. And you could do this for your tires, your filter, whatever. So there we have it, guys. See, there's no warnings, nothing going on. There we have it. So that's a little bit about that, folks. That's how you do that. I'm sorry if the sun was a little bit in the way. I hope this makes sense to you guys. Of how to change your settings for your oil interval, your tire interval, your filter interval, and how to reset it too. There's also the option to do a reset on that screen too. So if you guys have any questions here, as always, please feel free to reach out to me. I know a lot of these vehicles inside and out. Please feel free to reach out, and thanks again for watching, folks, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and until the next video. Bye guys.